Saturday in a long week. This is kind of where our break room is at. We do clean it every night, but you can see people have their food leftovers, everything. So first things first, I'm gonna get all of this kind of designated to one area, and then we're gonna clean out the fridge. So everyone's food gets placed on one table, so that way the stylist can take home their leftovers, and anything that is not taken home will be thrown away and taken outside. No food, drink, anything is left in the salon over the weekend because that's how we get roaches, and it's just not up to our standards. So I'm moving everyone's stuff over here. And now we'll start with emptying the fridge. So if you want to come look over here, everything goes besides dressings and like closed beverages that haven't been opened, but anything that can expire soon we get rid of. So these people's modes, all of this kind of stuff gets put on the table, and then once the clock hits after 6, we see if anyone is still here and if we have anything in the fridge, and if so, take it home. If not, we'll throw it away for you. One of the stylists just took some of their belongings. Awesome. Bye, love you. I'm really making sure that we get in the drawers, emptying everything out. See, like, all of these open containers need to go too. I'll keep the dressings because usually if people bring in the dressings, they bring them to last them throughout the week. But like opened up beverages and Starbucks, all of that. Water bottles, we dispose of. So as I'm cleaning, I kind of like to organize and like consolidate all the dressings to one shelf, just so it's more photo ready and everybody can find everything better. It's better to end Saturday with a clean break room, so that way we start off next week on the best note possible. It's been open for quite some time now. It's kind of yelling at me. So if ever that happens while you're cleaning off the fridge, you'll just press that door alarm button. Someone's clean. I really just put it all in these